I recently created a video demonstrating how to insert a blank row after every other row. However, a viewer has raised an interesting question. What if I want to insert a blank row after every 6th row instead? So that maybe he or she could put a subtotal, something like this. Whatever the reason it is, here's how you do it. First, I'm going to find the number of branches I have. Just highlight column A like this. And if you look at the bottom here, you can see 26, which means I've got 26 items in this column. Minus 1 will be 25. So essentially I've got 25 branches. If you count 25, it goes like 1, 2, 3, and so on. Right? So I've got 25 of them. Next, you're going to do is you're going to fill column D with a series of numbers here, going from 1 all the way down to the very last row on your data set. So you're going to highlight that and put a sequence of numbers running all the way down to the very last row of your data set. Then you're going to place your cursor at the very last empty row like this, and you're going to say 6 and 12. The reason for 6 is because you're trying to skip every 6th row. You're going to put a blank. That's why you're going to say 6, 12, and then you're going to highlight 6 and 12 like that, and you're going to do 6 times table 25 times, something like this. The way you tell whether you got 25 of them or not is by looking at this count here. Now you can see I got 26. I'm just going to get rid of 1 here. Now you got 25 of the 6 times table. So now you go all the way to the top like this, and then you're going to press Ctrl Shift L to enable filter. Then you're going to filter your dataset table based on column D. You're going to click on this arrow here. A context menu will appear. You're going to say sort smallest to largest like this, and you can see every 6th row there's a blank space like that. So as part of a cleanup, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on column D and basically say delete. And to get rid of filter, you press Ctrl Shift L again one more time, and then you can add your subtotal and all the good stuff, and then you're done.